Hello everyone, this is Peter Wu and welcome back to my channel. And today we are walking around the Kharkiv railway station, and let's go and have a look for this place. As you can see, in front of us is Kharkiv railway station, and in Ukraine it's quite important to travel around by the railway. It's quite convenient and quite comfortable for traveling around the big city. As you can see, this is Kharkiv railway station, and it has the style of Soviet Union. And you can see this is very traditional Soviet Union buildings. And here is like a park in front of the railway station. Let's go and check it out together.